Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Freshsales reporting on lead conversion rates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Freshsales reporting on lead conversion rates, start by logging into your Freshsales account. On the dashboard, navigate to the Reports section located in the sidebar menu. In the Reports section, look for the Lead Conversion Report option. Click on Lead Conversion to access the report settings. If this is your first time, select the Create New Report button. Choose the type of report you want to generate, focusing specifically on lead conversion rates. Next, set the date range for the data you want to analyze. You can customize the report further by applying filters based on your criteria. Select the teams or individuals whose lead conversion rates you wish to evaluate. After applying your filters, click on the Generate Report button. Wait for the report to load, displaying key metrics on lead conversion. Review the data presented, including the total number of leads and the conversion percentage. You can also download the report by clicking the download icon on the top right. For future reference, save your report settings by clicking the Save option. Name your report for easy identification later. To access your saved reports, return to the Reports section. Feel free to explore other reporting options to understand additional aspects of your leads better. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled reporting on lead conversion rates in Freshsales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.